This 2400P is the size that it's just easy to pick up and throw in the trunk of a car to take with you. It's light enough that you're going to want to take it in other places. It's not very big, and the big comfortable handle makes it no problem at all. You can carry this all day long. And I love the fact that we can go in eco mode. We can save some gas and run some small level appliances, or we can crank it up a little bit more to get maximum output. But there's no doubt in my mind that these are going to work if well maintained. They're going to work for a long time. They seem to run really smooth. They're user friendly. Getting it going was just like any other small engine. Of course, there's going to be oil changes and spark plugs to maintain, but if you're going to use it often enough, I think these will really serve you well. I think after testing these, I really prefer portable generators over onboard generators for RVs. They're so much more portable. If you ever need them serviced, you can pick them up and take them places. Often parts are more accessible within these. So I'd say check these out for yourself. I was impressed with the price they were being sold at and the quality of what they're doing. They've got a lot of great features and they seem to run smooth.